is up, guys? This is the Shadow Games here today. I'm playing Slime Rancher. What the heck am I doing? Okay, guys, if you can help me out a lot, I'm about to just start crying because I cannot get this to work. Okay, so I have my PS4 remote over here. I messed up these settings. I don't know what the freak to do. Can y'all please help me on this? How do I mess these settings? Like, how do I add keys in here? I can't do it. I'm just about to start crying. I don't know how. Anyways, let's get back to the game. Ah! What the freak is happening? I'm using the controller. What the freak? What the heck is happening? Okay, let's maybe disable that. Holy crap. Okay. What do I do? Hello? Oh, I just sucked him up. Oh wow. They're a corral? Aw, I don't know what this said. I'm just gonna stick you in here. Is that how it was supposed? Oh, this is how the game's supposed to work. I was just guessing. Okay, we just like suck all these things up and just like shoot them in that. Well, that seems simple enough. Ooh, I can sprint. What are the oh, I can suck up a chicken. Ooh, a chickadee, whatever that is. It looked like, I'm just guessing. I'm gonna call it chickadee. Aw, dang it, chickadoo. I've heard, like, I've been watching some people play it, so not that much. I just, like, saw these, I thought it was a chickadee or something. I wasn't, okay. Oh my gosh, you ate it! Did that just... It farts out these weird crystal thingies? What do these do? I'm gonna shoot them at crap. Urgh! Bust the machines up. Ha! Bust you up. Can. Oh wait. Where is it? Did I shoot them in this? I don't know what to do. I'm so confused right now. I'm so confused. Do I shoot it into this? Where do I freaking shoot it into? Oh, I can be money. Yay, I got money. Ah, move! Stupid rock. There we go. Whoop. Okay, so I saw this place. Holy crap, that's lots. Holy crap. There's so many. Let me have your poop. So I can just like suck it into that, push it in. Ooh, a pogo fruit? What the heck is that? Oh. Ooh, a blue thing. Oh, okay, I'm sorry. My gosh. A blue one? No! Did he just eat that? You stupid! You know what? I'm taking you with me. Oh, I can't suck them up? Oh, I can just drag them. That's cool. I can just like suck them. I can't see crap though. Just guessing where to go. Okay, so let's there. There you go. Yeah! I'm scared of those things. I think they're gonna kill me or something. At 250. Alright. Ow! I lost 10 health from that. Dang, I am lagging like crazy. Ooh, a crate. Can I bust that? Can I, like, throw it at the ground? Boom! Holy crap. I got a chicken. Some stuff from that. Carrots. I'm gonna bring some more stuff, people back. Well, this game is really cool. Is that a beet? Oh, that's an, can I only go to 20? Well, that sucks. I'm just gonna shoot you over there, come back, get some more, shoot you over here. And I just think, yeah, that'll work out. Oh, no, they didn't work out. A slime gun. What is it? Ooh, I can buy high walls. Music box. That's cool. I got a lot of people in there. I'm gonna make another crowd for the big people. Ugh. Boom. Get in there, you stay. Oh, oops. Ah! Oh, I'm scared of that thing. I'm coming back for you. Oh, wait, I need to go. I'm gonna feed you. Will they eat that? Eat the chicken! What? What the freak? Oh, he did eat the chicken! What the freak? This game is so brutal! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh. I'll feed you this pogo fruit if I can. Ew, he scares me. Take that. Ooh, a blue one. What are these? How much are these worth? Let's see. 15? 7? 8. Get the money, honey. Ah! Did they try to escape? Did that make it? Did I make that in? No, I shot him all the way over here. And now I can't shoot it far enough. Can we make it? No, it's a little. Oh, the crap. That's way off. Let's get these carrots. Need next to backpack. It's a rancher's best friend. Back here. Oh, I heard some munching. I don't want these pink slimes. Is there any different type of slimes? I know I saw a rock one. Where the heck that thing is at anymore? Oh my gosh, the little chickadoos are everywhere. They're so cute. Ah! They think they're just like popping out of the ground now. Oh, those come from the trees? Ooh, they're poop. I want your poop. Give me your poop. Yeah, I don't want you. There you go. Oh, did I not get that again? Ah, big one. Come here, I'm going to take you back with your family. Trying to see here and I can't. Okay, so I'm going over here. Well, I was gonna play with the controller. Oh, where the freak did he go? Where is it? Oh my gosh, I'm blind. I didn't see him. Yippee! 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 I don't think those like me. I think they hate me. Have some carrots. Poop! Oh, oh, holy crap, that just lagged out. Ow! They do hurt me, I knew it! I'm gonna shoot some carrots at you. You better back the heck up. Nah! Oh well. Can I make it? Dang it! Come on, I was so close! Oh! And he scores! On the 5 millionth try! At least! Ow, I just hit metal on accident. Ah, my ankle! Ow. Oh, I gotta... What can I buy? There's like a auto feeders demolition. What does this do? Ooh. Okay, I'm gonna go get some more stuff and I'll be right back. My slime family. Ooh, what are these? Phosphor. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's huge. Can I buy? I want to take this home. I'm gonna take this with me. I wonder what kind of poop he has. Why do I want to know that? Why don't these only come out at night? I don't know why. Maybe they hate sunlight? Oh, solar shield. I'm guessing that's why they have solar shields. Oh, I'm guessing when it turns day, they're gonna be gone. Aw, well, that sucks. I want to see them die. That's like the worst thing. Why do I want to see them die? Maybe they'll explode. That's why. Oh, are they just gonna keep going? Oh, no! Ow! 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 Oh, dang. Well, I'm sorry. I'll go get you some fruit for doing that to you. No, I won't. This is really fun. I've got to admit. Give me this poop. Did you eating each other? Cannibal! Cannibals! Cannibals? What is this? Can I go over there? Well, guys, I'm gonna leave the video at this, guys. I will definitely be playing this more often. This is a really fun game. Y'all should try it out on Steam. Remember, if you can help me with the controller settings, I would love to know how you freaking press the keys and make it happen. Stuff. I don't really know how to explain. Ah! Holy crap, what is this? Oh. What is this stuff? Dang! Can I take you back? I could jump on top of you. Ooh. Money! Well, anyways, see you in the next episode, guys. I will definitely be making more episodes of this. This game is beast and awesome and stuff. So, I'll see you in the next episode. Bye, guys.